Hey guys, this is Kid Christian 14, and today I'm here to show you the Melrose, New York Thunderbolt, only 6 miles away from where I am. Now, don't get me wrong, Thunderbolts are my favorite, and this one's 6 miles away from me, so I can see it almost every time. Almost unlimited tickets to go see it, I guess. But yeah, here it is. It's huge. Oh my god, I'm glad that thing isn't going to be going off right now. Although I wish it kind of would, but I don't have proper hearing protection. But yeah, see, it's on a windmill tower mount. This actually used to be a windmill, but then a Model 5 sat right here. And then in 1975, it was moved to Campbell Hill down there, and then the Thunderbolt took its spot. And as you see, come down from there, we have the blower. It's red. I don't know what phase blower it is, but it's red. I got kind of close to it once, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, Melrose Thunderbolt.